All right, so that brings us to the end of this module. Now we have covered the basics of Lua, and in this module, we went over two very important concepts, functions and tables. I'd encourage you to take some time and make sure that you've really got your head wrapped around how functions work in Lua, especially closures. I know it's something that, if you haven't faced before, can be a little bit hard to understand. It's a different way of thinking, and it really just takes some practice. I'd encourage you to go and try and use closures and create a couple of iterators, and then also do the same thing with tables. Try and create some tables and see if you can solve some problems that maybe in another programming language you use a different data structure. See if you can figure out a way to solve that problem using tables in Lua, and that will really help you going forward. In the next module, we're going to be relying on some of the things that we've learned here, so it's going to be really helpful. Coming up next, we're going to be learning about object-oriented programming in Lua. This is an interesting topic because Lua is not really an object-oriented language. It doesn't have things like a class, but we can basically approximate and implement real OO concepts in Lua using especially tables and a new concept that we're going to be learning about called metatables. Well, thanks for joining me and take care.